I am Pratiksha and today we are going to learn the French alphabet. If you think French alphabet is the same as English, you are already making mistakes. Today I'll explain you how to say alphabet in French, A to Z pronunciation, silent letters, P and J difference, minuscule and majuscule, common mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you will pronounce French letters correctly and confidently. Let's begin. How to say alphabet in French? In French, alphabet is l'alphabet. L'alphabet. Repeat after me. L'alphabet. The final T is silent. In French, many final consonants are silent. Example, petit. Petit. T is silent here. Now, let's begin. French alphabets A to Z. French also has 26 letters like English, but pronunciation is completely different. Repeat after me clearly and slowly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you notice something? Z is Z. Important. Many students confuse G and J. Letter G is pronounced like J and letter J pronounced like G. Now, majuscule and minuscule. Majuscule for capital letters, minuscule for small letters. Example, majuscule A, B, C, minuscule A, B, C. Important difference from English. Days and months are not capitalized in French. In English, if I'm saying Monday, M will be capital. But in French, if I'm saying lundi, L will be small here. Same for, in English, January will be capital J. But in French, janvier will be small j. Mistakes to avoid. Saying H loudly in French. H is silent. For example, hotel, hotel. Rolling R like English. French R comes from throat. It sounds like air, air. Okay? Now, saying you like English, you. French U is tighter sound from lips. U, U. Now tell me in the comments which letter was most difficult for you. Practice A to Z daily for 5 minutes. And if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and continue learning French with me. I'm Pratiksha. À bientôt.